Guys, Tom Shoe here, and just standing out here at my little spice garden, and I want to talk to you about some tools that you're going to need if you're going to be making wine. Um, One of the things that you'll need is a degassing wand. Um, what's a degassing wand? It's a little like a drill bit. Some people use a spoon or whatever, and it goes down into the vessel that you're making your wine in, and it spins and it agitates the solution, and it forces the CO2 out. Right? It's part of the winemaking process or mead making process, and even I think vinegar making. That's what I'm going to be doing with my alcohols, is making vinegar. Anyways, I didn't want to spend 30 bucks because after reading some reviews, you'll see that these little things have these little folding metal blades, and if you touch the side of your bucket, you'll get plastic in your wine and vinegar, or your cardboard PET. It can also scar the side of that. So I didn't want to spend 30 bucks on something that I could make for myself cheaply. And so what I did is I went down to Walmart and I got a carbon fiber arrow. This one's like redhead fury, whatever. It's a stiff spine. But anyways, is I just drilled a couple holes in it at the ferrule end. Now those holes here on the left just go straight through, and the ones towards the bottom, they're kind of angled so you can feed it through, right? And basically just get a piece of, I'm using PET filament from a 3D printer, but you could get a piece of nylon from a weed whacker or something like that, and just feed it through and make yourself a little agitating tool. Now this is flexible enough to push down in a carboy, and you can make figure eights and different loops and stuff, but basically it's not going to spin really fast. You're going to spin it, with a cordless drill or a corded drill, whatever. Just stick it down in your solution, and there you go. I think I paid like $3 for this arrow, and I got about a penny's worth of filament, and I already had a drill bit. So instead of spending 30 bucks on something that could damage my vessel, the buckets or the carboys, by accidentally hitting the sides, I'm going to use this to agitate and remove the CO2. So this is a degassing wand for, I don't know, $4.50, something like that. Might be able to get them cheaper. Don't get a fiberglass one. Get a carbon fiber one. It's got a little aluminum insert in the end. So basically you're not going to get any like splinters or anything. And when you drill, just run a little sharp countersink across the top of the hole, and it will like kind of deburr it, and then you can sand it if you want or whatever. And on the knock end, you just chuck this end up in the drill and just put it down in the bucket or put it in the carboy and spin it, and, agitate up and down, and you'll get all the CO2 out. So that's it, guys. A simple degassing tool for just hardly any money. See ya.